Today we're gonna teach you how to make slime. But what kind of slime is it?
It's butter slime.
Okay, so first of all, you'll obviously need a bowl and a spoon.
You'll need glue. You'll need
Activator.
and you'll need clay. You can pick any color.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna start with putting in the glue. We can only pour a bit, so how much?
Should be any amount.
This will be
Would you
enough
find-
for like making the slime.
Yeah, but don't put too much if you don't have activator. But if you want activator, all you have to do is add borax to hot water. Simple. Or contact lens solution to baking soda. So I think that's enough.
Yeah, that should be
We've
enough.
got enough
Well,
clouds.
one more. Pump. Third most important ingredient. But now we're gonna activate it. One more pump. Shall we? Why not?
Shall.
Wow, it doesn't want to come. And you could also add any like color.
Any amount.
Yeah, any amount.
Doesn't have to be glow in the dark.
No, it
It
could
can be like
any-
white glitter glue or something. As long as you have clay and
glue is the most important.
an activator. Any type of activator will work, even laundry detergents. Especially stuff.
Okay, so next,
that's
now that we
our-
have our
Yeah,
amount,
we
so
have to
we have to
add a bunch.
Elmer's Magic Liquid. Not
But then you have
So-
to put quite a lot to make one batch of slime. Okay, just about that.
so there. Start with
Yeah,
that.
so you can
So you
see
start mixing.
it's thickening already. It's like, you can see that. Ooh, it's really,
It's working a lot faster.
right now, it's really getting
Can I
really
show the mix?
fast. So,
And it takes a lot of work, so
yeah, you don't need too much activator, but it's best if you put,
should we fast forward it now you mix it?
yeah.
Okay guys, so we'll just be fast forwarding this part. Hey guys, so we're done mixing it in. It might not be that stretchy now, but we're gonna put our clay. So we're just gonna have half all the time and just put in our clay.
You don't need to do that.
Yeah, like, oh my god, I think it's too dry. No, it's dry, it's on the inside. Oops, that's all dry. There, this is soft.
Ooh, I put,
So don't put this dry,
Hard
don't put
stuff?
dry pieces.
okay, yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the trash right now because, like,
So guys, it might be hard to mix in, it might feel hard, but when you actually mix it in, it'll be better. So don't think your slime is ruined. And oh, is this the hard one? Do I put the hard one in?
for you.
It's fine. So it might get a bit sticky,
But it's definitely gonna become butter slime.
I keep on thinking cloud.
Why? Mine is becoming like really butter slime.
Same.
It's like so obsessed.
It's getting so much bigger.
This is like the best
The
butter
clay,
slime I've done so far.
the clay makes it like,
Is this a hard? Maybe put the hard in. No, she put a hard in.
me.
Yeah, almost.
It's so satisfying. We made
Now-
butter slime.
Since it's super duper butter slime, you have to add more clay because this is not butter yet.
Yeah, it's like,
It's still like normal slime.
it's only a
can
bit
make.
butter, but like we need a lot more to make it butter. Like,
Because like
no, that's enough in the start. Is this enough? Look.
yeah.
Is that too much?
Put as much as you can until you think it's
Butter slime.
If it's not stretchy at all, you've done something wrong.
Uh-huh.
Very wrong.
Maybe you overactivated it.
But don't try. Okay, this is
Don't try this at home. Joking. I'll obviously try this at home.
This is why. This is the reason we're doing this video. Vanilla. Look, mine is so butter.
And in our next video, we will be doing it
Blindfolded.
blindfolded this time. We're not allowed to make a big one.
No, because we barely have enough.
Activator. Let's change. You have to add more.
Mine is so buttery, guys.
So guys, we're
One
gonna
of the
feel each other's and rate it out of
aesthetic-
10.
Okay, this is not great butter slime.
It's not?
You have a hard one.
Wait, what?
You have a hard one.
It's not good butter slime.
Mine is more butter slime.
Add more clay, right?
Yeah. That should be like smooth. Super duper duper smooth. Too smooth that you can't feel your own intestines.
Right, I'm not mixing it into my other one. I'm using a lot of clay right now because I want mine to be like Emma's. I need a mix. This is so hard to work with your hands.
But you get muscles. That is butter slime. So guys, this is the end of the video, and we've made the best butter slime you have seen today.
And go hit that subscribe
Button right now.